Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning BMW R1200RS Iconic. Here we have a BMW R1200RS Sport SE Iconic. This is number 57 of 100 of these stunning motorcycles. It is a 2016 bike on a 66 plate with just 10,847 miles, a 2 owners from new, any good service history. This bike is presented in outstanding condition, as you can see, and is in the iconic paint scheme, reminiscent of the German flag there. It's being a German motorcycle, of course. Black and grey in the main. You've also got data tag there, of course, and those very nice R&G carbon fibre effect engine covers, which look absolutely fantastic, actually. The exhaust is unmarked and is the standard item. There is a new rear tyre on the motorcycle, along with the pannier rails. You've also got the iconic 100 seat branding there, denoting this only 100 of these bikes. And as I said, this is number 57 of those 100 bikes. There's the front of the bike, absolutely tip-top. Nothing to apologise for at all on this bike. Got the fork sliders there as well. Front mudguard, no damage there at all. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one. It's not a brand new one like the back one, but it is very, very good indeed. Daytime riding lights there, of course, adjustable screen. No marks on the mirrors or the bar ends or the levers on this bike at all. Likewise, the engine cases. Again, the R&G carbon fibre effect cover on the left-hand side. Just come out to the wide shot for the left so you can see it. Absolutely tip-top, this bike. A lovely, lovely example of the R1200RS SE. Pannier rail on that side as well. No corrosion or damage on the shaft. And of course, this bike does come with cruise control, electronic suspension adjustment, ABS, traction control, wiring for the BMW Navigator sat-nav, although the nav isn't included, heated grips, of course, everything you could need for a brilliant commuter bike or a lightweight tourer. Of course, full panniers available for these machines. We don't have the panniers or top box for it, but you can buy those, of course. All in all, a fantastic lightweight sports tourer, or as I said, all year round commuter. These boxer twins have a sound all of their own. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Fantastic. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful R1200RS, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.